There's a railway station. So I'm assuming we go up here. I'm going to go down here anyway. Quite interesting. I think we came down here before, didn't we? When I did the yeah. So that was shit in hell. A step there. Yeah. We came down here before. I recognise it now. Yeah, it was quite interesting when I came down here before. So I'm not so sure about getting the drone because there's a lot of trees. I mean, when we came down here before, we didn't know about this colliery that was here. So what I'm going to do is walk down here, try not to fall down the bloody steps. Yeah, this is a good vantage point actually. I think what I'm going to have to do is going to have to do separate drone flights because I didn't realise how deep this was, even though we've been before. Quite, yeah. I don't know if we really need to take the drone up to view actually, because you can see the building work down there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down there. I think if I follow that road down, I can maybe take the drone up from there. Yeah, I think we're going to not actually go into the station, but we're going to go down here. The thing is, I'm just a bit worried about those trees. What I might have to do is I might have to come back and go back that way and take the drone up like that. The thing is, at the risk of being an auditor, I don't want to upset anybody. So if they don't want me to film, they don't want me to film, I won't film. But things like this, it's quite interesting. I think I can probably film this without putting the drone up, to be honest with you. It'd be nice to get above it. Just a tree there. So yeah, I think I could stand on the bridge and film this. That might be quite interesting. Bloody slipped on a stone. Oh, I can't get over to the bridge this way. But the thing is, I should be able to get the drone up from here. So as you can see, I could probably climb over there, but I'm not going to do. What I'd have to do is the builder works over there, so I am going to have to get the drone up. I'm not sure if I can go up here. Well, the Royal Mail's gone up on it, so I'm thinking I could maybe get a better look at the building work as well. It is a road, it's not a private road, it doesn't say anything about private, so you can just about see the building work over there. The new Morley station. Maybe I can incorporate 2 videos into one. Not a lot we can see from here, to be honest with you. Transpennine route upgrade. That's cool. I might ask. Parking for staff and visitors. So I can't go over there, I can't really see what's happening. Now obviously the colour is over that side. And you can see some of the digging there. It's a big overhaul of this station. I'm going to carry on down here, see what I can see from this side. Really big overhaul of the station. Got the rail mill. Wow. There's fork trucks working down there, so I don't really want to go right down to the bottom. I'm going to check the map. So look at this. Look at this. Those big Briggs blocks. Bit of a sinkhole there. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to check the map, see what the crack is though. I'll have to double back. I think what I'm going to do is I am going to take the drone up from here. We do have a bit of a pile on there. So I'm just going to take it up, I think. Just going to take it up. Let's see. Over the weekends of the 6th and 7th of May and the 13th and 14th of May, engineers working on the Transpennine route upgrade will renew drainage around Morley station, completing signalling testing and installing a new footbridge at Lady Anne Level Crossing. This work is all in preparation for the 9 days of upgrades between the 17th and 25th of June. Passengers travelling between Huddersfield and Leeds are being reminded to check that before travel as these major upgrades continue. We want to remind passengers that our engineers will be undertaking some important preparation work at Morley Station and in Batley over the 2 weekends in May, said Natalie Hewitt, senior sponsor for the Transpennine route upgrade. We know how crucial it is to keep people moving, so we have worked closely with the colleagues at Northern and Transpennine Express. In instances where the trains are unable to run via diversionary routes, buses will keep passengers on the move. We're really grateful for the patience and the understanding of the passengers while this work takes place, and we look forward to opening the new station later this year. Transpennine Express and Northern will keep passengers on the move by a mixture of diversionary routes and rail replacement buses. Some trains will be diverted via Wakefield, and some services between Huddersfield, Brighouse and Leeds via Dewsbury will be replaced by a bus. Chris Norton, Major Project Director from Transpennine Express, as major upgrade work to transform Morley Station takes place, including improved accessibility to the station, which will provide huge benefits for customers travelling between York and Manchester. There will be some service alterations for Transpennine Express services. Customers are advised to check carefully the latest service alterations before they travel on our website www.tpexpress.co.uk. pexpress.co.uk/travel updates/changes to train at times, and that's a mouthful. Updates will also be available on our social media networks. So there you go, a bit of an update on what's happening down here. As you can see, it's a big work, and I will be periodically coming down here and doing a bit of filming and see how it's getting on.